Good morning, students. Welcome to Bindu Dhadwal chemistry lessons. Today we will learn how to write the structures of the 20 amino acids that appear in nature. So to write down the structures, the general formula is an amino acid has an amino group attached on the alpha carbon atom placed to the carboxyl group. So this is the carboxyl group, this is the alpha carbon atom, and an amino group NH2 is attached to here. In ionic form, the H is given by COH to the NH2 part so that we can write down the structure of amino acid in zwitterion form. So here all the structures that we'll be writing will be in zwitterion form. So the things that will be common in the structure are a carboxylic group, an amine group, and hydrogen, and alkyl group will vary from one amino acid to another. So let's write down the first amino acid, glycine. So in case of glycine, the R is H. So the structure will become CHHCOO negative and NH3 positive, and it's known as glycine. Then if in place of H, if we attach the group CH3, then the compound will become alanine. So this is amino acid number 2. First amino acid glycine, second is alanine. Now if we place a isopropyl group in place of R, then the amino acid will be called valine. So amino acid number 3 is valine. Now, so if we increase one more carbon atom and we attach the group CH2, CH, CH3, CH3 in place of the group R, then we get our amino acid leucine. So with 4 carbon atoms, the amino acid is leucine. Now valine and leucine are essential amino acid. Then an isomer of amino acid leucine, where the CH3 group is attached to first carbon. This CH3 group is attached to first carbon. So we get CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. If this is the R group, then this compound, this amino acid is known as isoleucine. So again, writing the general formula, CHCOO negative on one side and NH3 positive on other side, and this group, R group present here, will give us the isomer isoleucine. So let's write down this isomer isoleucine. So if we write down the whole structure of isoleucine, we will be having a 4 carbon group attached with CH3 on the first position and 2 more carbons. So in all, the whole structure will be called isoleucine. It is an isomer of leucine and it is also an essential amino acid. The next, if we replace one of alanine, in case of alanine we had CH3 group attached to the carbon atom. Now if in place of CH3 group, if we replace one H with C6H5, we get the amino acid phenylalanine. So CH2C6H5 is attached in place of R, then the amino acid is phenylalanine. It is also an essential amino acid. Then next amino acid is methionine. So when one H of the CH3 group is substituted by CH2 SCH3 group, then we get the amino acid, methionine. This is also an essential amino acid. So let's write down the amino acid number 8 now. After methionine, let's write out amino acid number 8. This is tryptophan. So when one H of the CH3 is substituted with a 5-membered pyrrole ring to which a benzene ring is attached, then we get the amino acid tryptophan. So in tryptophan, we have CH2, then a 5-membered ring with NH and a 6-membered benzene ring. This is called tryptophan. It is essential amino acid. This is the group that is attached to the regular amino acid part. Essential amino acid. Amino acid number 9 is proline. So let's write down proline. In proline, we have a COH group, then to the alpha carbon atom, we also have an NH group, but this is cyclic part. It's a 5-membered ring with nitrogen, and we have one hydrogen here. So this is complete amino acid, and it is called proline. This is a non-essential amino acid. It's called proline. The carbon next to COH is alpha carbon atom. It's a non-essential amino acid. Non-essential amino acid. Amino acid number 10. So if in place of R we write CH2OH, that is, we replace one hydrogen of alanine with OH, then we get serine, NH3 positive, CH, Cu negative, and CH2OH. And if we replace it with CH2SH, then we get the amino acid cysteine. If we replace it with CH2SH, we get the amino acid cysteine. CYSTEINE, cysteine. Amino acid number 11 is cysteine. Next is, if we replace it with CH2COOH, that is, this amino acid will be having 2 carboxylic acids group. It is an acidic amino acid. The regular structure will be CO negative, CH and NH3 positive, and we have CH2COH attached to it. It is called aspartic acid. It's an acidic amino acid. Then amino acid number 13. Instead of COOH, we have CONH2 attached. So CH2CONH2 is placed in place of R. Then we get this amino acid, asparg. If we have an extra CH2, that is, if in place of R we place CH2, CONH2, then the basic groups are more in number. So it's a basic amino acid. Next structure, 15th, we in place of CH3, we place CHOHCH3. This is called threonine. It's also an essential amino acid. Threonine. It's an essential amino acid. Let's write down the amino acid number 16. So we know that in phenylalanine it was CH2C6H5. If the para position hydrogen of phenylalanine is replaced with OH group, then we get this amino acid tyrosine. In place of R we have CH2C6H4OH. This is called tyrosine. It is obtained from cheese. Then number 17, amino acid number 17, if we place CH2COOH, then it is called glutamic acid. Glutamic acid. If we have 4 carbon group attached, CH2, 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 NH2. 3, these methylene groups, another CH2 and NH2. This is called lysine. It's a basic amino acid. Then number 19, along with 3 CH2 groups, we have NHC, NH2 and a double bond NH. So it's having a number of amino acid groups. So it's a basic amino acid. It is called arginine. And last amino acid, number 20, is histidine. So histidine, when in place of R, you put a CH2 and 5-membered ring with 2 nitrogen atoms, one here and one here, and 2 double bonds. Then it is called histidine. So lysine, arginine and histidine are all essential amino acids. So in general, we have 10 amino acids which are essential amino acids. These are histidine, arginine, lysine, then we have threonine, glutamine, then we have tryptophan, methionine, phenylalanine, isoleucine, lysine and valine. So these are the essential. That's all in today's video. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.